name is Sarah Lang. My husband Jim and I own and operate the ink factory in Columbia, Missouri. For 15 years we have been refilling ink and toner cartridges for use at home and at work. These days, home and work can be one and the same for many people. Lots of kids are home from school, their printing needs have changed, and we are all on a budget. At the ink factory, we feel we have products and services that can ease you through some of these transitions, and we know we can save you some money. We literally have hundreds of inkjets and toners filled and tested and ready to go. They are unconditionally guaranteed, and we offer them at a price that is far less than buying an original. Also, we're proud to say all of our manufacturing is done locally right here in mid-Missouri. We are currently maintaining our normal business hours, 10 till 6, Monday through Saturday. We're limiting our lobby to one customer at a time so we can safely social distance and also serve you as efficient a manner as possible. If you'd like to call ahead, we'll have your order ready for you. Our phone is 573-815-9300, and we'll even bring it right out to your car. As far as essential businesses, Jim continues to make next day business deliveries. We consider ourselves very fortunate that our doors remain open. We're grateful for everyone's support so that our employees can continue working. And we remain faithful that we will be on the other side of this quarantine very, very soon.